Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today we are talking about best bookshelf speakers. If you are looking for something compact, powerful, and easy to set up, you are going to love this one. Stick around as we explore what makes this speaker a great choice for your home audio setup. Let's get started. The product we are featuring today is the Polk Audio T15 bookshelf speakers. Polk Audio is a brand with more than 50 years of experience in home entertainment, and the T15 clearly shows that legacy. These speakers are designed to deliver clear, balanced, and immersive sound whether you are watching movies, listening to music, or playing games. Let's talk about the sound performance first. The Polk Audio T15 comes with a 0.75-inch tweeter and a 5.25-inch dynamic balance driver. The tweeter handles the high frequencies, which means you get crisp vocals and detailed highs. The dynamic balance driver takes care of the mids and bass, giving you a fuller and richer sound. Together, they create an audio experience that feels deep and engaging. Even at lower volumes, the sound remains clear and well-balanced, so you do not have to turn it up too loud to enjoy your content. Another great feature of the Polk Audio T15 bookshelf speakers is their versatility. You can use them as front speakers, left and right channel speakers, or even as rear speakers in a surround sound system. This flexibility makes them a smart choice if you are planning to build or upgrade your home theater setup. They also support wall mounting, which helps you save space and keeps your room looking clean and organized without affecting the sound quality. If you are just starting your home audio journey, the Polk Audio T15 is a perfect foundation. You can begin with this pair and later expand into a full 5.1 system. For example, you can add Polk Audio T50 tower speakers, a T30 center channel speaker, and a subwoofer for deeper bass and a more cinematic experience. This upgrade path makes the T15 a future-ready option. Setup is very simple. You just connect the speaker wires to your AV receiver and you are ready to go. There is no complicated calibration and no advanced configuration needed. Within minutes, you can enjoy high-quality sound in your living room. In terms of design, the Polk Audio T15 bookshelf speakers have a classic and clean look that fits easily into any home decor. They are compact enough for shelves or desks, yet powerful enough to fill a room with rich audio. This could be the sound upgrade your home has been waiting for. Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your budget. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome product videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.